Whoa, are you hungry? You want dinner? You want some dinner? Yes?
Heavenly Father, we thank you for our food and our meal and our plans. Amen.
Amen. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rachel, and today I'm gonna be walking you through 4 quick and easy recipes that I love to make for my family. If you haven't yet watched our grocery haul from last week, I would go do that now because Gracie joined me and she's just the cutest. She pretty much stole the show, so even if you don't care at all about what we bought, just go to watch her because she's hilarious. Like I mentioned in that video, I tend to plan about 4 meals a week for my family. And that's because a couple of my meals usually always make leftovers, and then we will eat out or order in one night on the weekend. Usually it's Friday because we just like to have like a cozy night in and have a movie night with the girls. And so it's just easier to pick up food or to order a pizza or something. In this video, I'm going to be making an Asian fish, a one-pot pasta with no meat if you're of the vegetarian type, tacos, and a Thai curry chicken that is absolutely one of my family's favorites. Disclaimer, this is not like some uber fancy cooking type of video. I really just am kind of like down and dirty with the camera above me as I'm chopping and adding things in. So I just wanted to forewarn you. It's not like one of those very artistic cooking videos, but hopefully it is a practical cooking video and you'll find it helpful. All of the recipes will be either linked or listed down below. Some of them are mine, some of them are just favorites that I found on Pinterest, but sometimes I'll tweak those, so if I did do that, I will make a note below the link. So all of that will be down below. So don't worry, you're not gonna have to be like scribbling down the recipe as the video goes on, but I also just wanted to show you how I make things too. If you enjoy this video and want me to do another kind of round of this series where I do a grocery haul and then a cooking video with more of our favorite recipes, give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below with your favorite recipes, things you love to make for your family throughout the week. I'm always on the hunt for something good to make. And without further ado, let's just get started.
We need a new rice cooker.
Well, maybe not. This works.
Can I have a piece?
Yeah.
Can I have that one?
Yeah, not the whole thing.
What?
Because we need cucumbers for dinner too.
I don't have any. you cooking spaghetti and meatball and onions?
We're making 1 pot tomato basil pasta.
Cooking tacos? Yeah. Yum, thanks.
You're welcome.
Start with 1 first.
Yeah.
Then I'll go to my 3 more.
Okay.
I'll have 1 and then the other and then just 2 more.
Okay.
smells good.